In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new opportunity record in Google Chrome. We're going to walk through the process in a simple, clear way so you can enter the record correctly and save it into your system without confusion. This is a common task in many sales and CRM workflows, and once you've done it a few times, it becomes very quick and routine. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to your CRM or business platform where your sales records are managed. Once the page has loaded, look across the top area of the interface for the row of object tabs. From that top navigation, open the Opportunities tab. This will take you to the section where existing opportunity records are listed and where new ones can be created. After you're inside the Opportunities area, find the New button or Action control and click it. This opens the form used to create a brand new opportunity record. Depending on your system layout, the form may appear in a pop-up window, a panel, or a full page, but the information you need to enter will follow the same basic idea. Now, fill in all required fields on the form. At a minimum, this usually includes the opportunity name, the close date, and the stage. For the opportunity name, enter a clear and recognizable title that helps identify the deal later. For the close date, select the expected date the opportunity is projected to close. For the stage field, choose the appropriate status from the available options based on where the deal currently stands in your pipeline. Be sure to review the form carefully because required fields are often marked and must be completed before the record can be saved. Next, link the opportunity to the correct account. To do that, locate the account lookup field and begin typing the name of the related account into the search box. When matching results appear, select the correct record from the list. This step is important because it connects the opportunity to the right customer or company and helps keep your data organized and accurate. Once everything has been entered, take a moment to quickly review the details for accuracy. Make sure the name is correct, the date is right, the stage matches the current deal status, and the account relationship is linked properly. When you're ready, click Save. This will create the new opportunity record and store it in the live system database. After saving, the new opportunity should now be available in your pipeline for tracking, updates, and future reporting.